Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. This was not a video that I planned. I'm kind of doing this as a favor to one of my referrals in Wealthy Affiliate. Those of you who are subscribed to my channel, you know that I got my training to be an online marketer from Wealthy Affiliate, and I promote them often. I do a lot of videos, a lot of articles about them. Well, one of the people who, one of my referrals in Wealthy Affiliate who signed up with me, um, asks me a lot of questions, and she's my busiest referral. I mean, this girl is working really, really hard. I see her progress on Wealthy Affiliate. She's building her own online business. She's using the training at Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm really inspired by her. But she asked me the question, how do you add, she wanted to know how to add her affiliate links to images. Now, in Wealthy Affiliate, they teach us how to do affiliate marketing using WordPress. So that's what all of our websites are. They're WordPress websites. We happen to be on mine right now. It's called workathomeonlineforfree.com. And this is where I promote Wealthy Affiliate. This is where I teach people how to be an affiliate marketer or how to start their online business. So we're on my website. Now, I wasn't sure whether she was referring to adding a link to an image like this, like see my cursor here. You know, you can click on this image when you're on my website and I have a link attached to it. I wasn't sure if she was referring to that or if she was referring to linking your widgets. Your widgets are these little pictures over in the corner, or I'm sorry, over on your sidebar where, you are advertising things and, people can click there as well. So I think she's talking about how do I add a link so that you can click my pictures, whether it's in her blog posts or her articles or on her sidebar in her WordPress website. So I'm just going to do this quick video and I'm going to send it to her. Her name is Lynn. Hi, Lynn. It's Deborah. And I just thought I would do a quick video because if she wants to know how to do this, then some other of my referrals might need to know this as well. So I thought the best way to do it instead of typing her a big long how-to email is to just show her a quick video. So let me show you both things. All right. If you are, first of all, let's go to editing the page. Okay, here we are. Well, let's go to editing the page. Okay, we're on that page. And, obviously, if you're a beginner, this might be too much for you. I'm doing this video for those of us who are on WordPress. We're building our websites. We've gotten this far. We kind of know, what our dashboard is and so forth. But if you need more beginner training than this, just sign up with this link. I'll give it to you in the description box for Wealthy Affiliate. And they have a free starter program where you can get step-by-step training to do what we're doing. So if you're in your blog post, you go in here and you put your image in. Let's use this one for an example. And when you put your image in, this is what you get. You get these choices where you add the image and then, well, you know what? I'm going to take it back even a step further. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to add it again. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to remove it and I'm going to start from scratch. Let's say you're in your blog post and you want to add an image and you want to make it a linkable, clickable image. You go up here to add media and pick I can just kind of search for that particular image. Here it is here. You pick the image that you want, and if it's not already in your library, then you click here to upload files and you upload whatever image you want to use. So when it's uploaded and it's in here, you click on it here. Now see, it brings it up over here on the side. Now here's what you do. Down here, first of all, you can choose the alignment. Do you want it to be on the center? Do you want it to be the left? Do you want it to be on the right? This one we had on the right. And then you link to a custom URL. Now, I can't talk and type at the same time. So there's my link. That's the link that I want that image to go to. Now, this can be an affiliate link. It can be a link to another article on your website. It can be a link to another website. It can be absolutely any URL, okay, whether it's an affiliate link or any other link. So you type it in there, and then you say insert into page. Now, that link, that picture is in there, and now it's linked. So when people click on that image in your website, that it's going to go to whatever link you just typed in there. All right. Now, that's how you do it on a paper within blog posts or images or posts in WordPress. Now, if you want to know how to link your widgets, which again, your widgets are these little things on the sidebar. All these I'm sorry, my fat face is in the way here. I should have taken my face off of this for this recording. All these little boxes and ads that you put on the side. This is how you link them. You go to your dashboard. Now, it's been a long time since I'd set this up, and I can't remember what problem I was having, but I remember I had to add a plugin. Oh, look, I can X my face out of there. Good. Okay, so here's plugins. I had to install a plugin, and again, I don't remember what the issue was, but I used this plugin on all my websites. It's called Site Origin Widgets Bundle. Here it is here. I add this plugin to all of my websites. And the reason I do it is because I think it helps me manage my widgets. It gives me options that I didn't have with my plain old WordPress website. So you may need to, you may want to add this plugin. That's what I have. So since I have that, I can go to appearance, go down here to widgets. All right. It's a little bit slow today. So here we are in the widget area. Now, this is all the widgets that I currently have on my website. Now, let's look at this. This is the little widget that I have on my website that takes people to my YouTube channel. See this picture? Visit my YouTube channel. That's a picture that I actually created. If you want, comment below that you want to know how to do that, and I'll do a video on how I create these images myself. But I created this, visit my YouTube channel, and I uploaded it. Where am I? So here it is. And so here's my image. I added the widget. And by the way, let me just take you back a step. Having a hard time here. I'm sorry. Let me just get this out of here. Okay, now how I got these over here is I go down here. It says available widgets. I click on Site Origin Image. Once you add that plugin, this is the one that I use. I click on that and it lets me select the image that I want, get it from upload it from my computer, and it lets me add it. Now what it does is it opens up this is what happens when you say, you want to add a widget. This is what happens. So you click this button to choose the media. That's where you choose your image, whether it's already, uploaded onto your WordPress website, or if you have to go onto your computer and get it, you put your image in there. Now I give it a title so that when I'm looking at that big long list of widgets up here, I know which ones are which. So I give it a title. I called this one Visit My YouTube Channel. I make the title position hidden because I don't want people to see my title. I just want to know which ones are on my list. And then as you can see here, destination URL. This is where you put your link, whether that's going to an affiliate link. In this case, it's going to my YouTube channel. If it's going to another article on your website, if it's going to your Facebook page, or if it's going to some other website, whatever you want to link it to, any URL, that's what you type in there. So you add the widget on via the widgets platform, and then you choose your image for it, and then this is where you put the link. All right, so you add it in here and then you say done, and then you end up with this big list here. When you add a new one, it'll show up way down here at the bottom. Now you can just use this. See how you can move these around? You just pick them up and you drag them. So you put these in the order that you want. All right. You may have to, if you're new, you may have to watch this video a couple of times to kind of go through these steps again. But that's how you do it. That's how you link images in WordPress. So Lynn, I hope this answers your question. I hope this helps you out. And for those of you who are struggling with these same sorts of issues, I do want to invite you to join Wealthy Affiliate. They're a fantastic training program. They're the ones that taught me how to build this and many other websites. This website that you see here, I've got tons of of articles. I've got all kinds of things on here. I've got videos. I've got my blog. This is how I earn my living, and I learned how to make this. Wealthy Affiliate taught me how to make this website. So again, if you're interested in that and you would like to get some of the training, they do have a free starter program, and I will link it in the description box below. Feel free to comment on this video, and if you have other questions like this that you think I might be able to help you with, feel free to comment. I'm happy to make a little video for you. And like I say, chances are if you have this question, other people probably do too. So, Lynn, I'm so happy to have you on board. I'm so proud of you. I know you've committed for another year's membership of Wealthy Affiliate. You're going, girl. I'm so proud of you. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.